YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you all of the things that I got from Elko Market. So for those of you who don't know, Elko Market is located in Bandra West and yesterday I visited it. So it's basically a flea market, or you can say a street shopping, wherein you get amazing stuff at a cheaper rate. So I'll be taking you through all of which I got from there, and this particular video for you guys is divided into 3 sections. First would be the outfits, second would be the jewelry, and third would be 2 footwear that I got from there. So without any further ado, let's go! So guys, the first thing that I got is this particular shirt. They were quoting 350 for this, but we bargained and got it at 300. So you guys can see, although ये इतना soft material का नहीं है, but I literally fell for the heart print that it has, and it screams summer because it's white in color. Although it's not that breathable, but I still like it. Next one is this waistcoat. So I didn't really own it since time now, and I got it in 2 colors as a result. One is this brown and the other was this one. So I got them for 300 each, which I feel is good because I love the quality. It's super soft and looks very elegant when styled well. इसके बाद I bought these cute linen pants. इसको linen pants ही कहते हैं, मुझे नहीं पता क्या कहते हैं, but इसका ऐसा वाला texture है. Again, I got it from the POV of Summers because it's quite breathable and it's also not see-through, the best part about it. So if you're planning a beach vacay or just a staycation with your friends, with your family, you can wear this especially because it gives you that cool chic vibes. इसके साथ आप एक if you're on a beach, you can probably pair it with a bralette, or if you're feeling elegant, then you can also pair it with a vest coat. It'll look amazing. Okay. Again, ये वाली जो pant थी, I got it for 350. मतलब actually they were quoting some around 400, but then my mom bargained and got that uncle to give us this pant for 350, which is, I mean, I feel reasonable. Okay. Next up, we have this cute pencil skirt. It also has a slit right here. So basically, आप कैसे भी पहन सकते हो. If you have a mood to, you know, get the slit at the back, आप पीछे भी you can wear it because there's nothing known as front and back in this particular skirt. अगर आपको slit आगे चाहिए, like towards your legs, तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. And it's quite a modest fit क्योंकि इसकी आप slit भी देखो, बिल्कुल भी it's not till your thigh also. तो बहुत ज़्यादा elegant looking and appropriate length वाला ये skirt है. Again, I got this for 400. That uncle was not ready to bargain, so but I still got it because it's a statement piece, quite elegant, and I love elegant stuff. So I got it for 400, guys. इसके बाद, the last piece that I got is this top. So actually, I have a lot of tank tops, but I didn't own a red one, and इसलिए मैंने खरीदा. I love the V-neck detailing, and also इसके बारे में मुझे एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगी कि इसके अंदर, if you see, they've given this kind of cover up. So just in case you're not feeling to wear something inside and it's manageable for you, you can also go without anything because it has this lining which can probably be protective. Okay, so yeah, this one, ये 250 का मिल गया था. Obviously. So this was it for all of my clothes, and now let's move on to the second segment, which is jewelry. I right now bought only 2 pieces from Elko Market in terms of their jewelry because actually I realized that I have a lot of similar kind of pieces at my home, so I didn't want it to unnecessarily splurge. And for all the unique pieces, they are a little overpriced. Like they start from 500. There was a gold chunky bracelet I was looking for, and then that guy quoted me 500 and they were like not ready to even bargain. Like they came till 450, but I still feel ki let's not परचेज इट. बट फिर मुझे एक शॉप मिली जहाँ पे मुझे एक सिमिलर ऐसे वाला, आई वॉन्टेड समथिंग कि जब यू आर वेयरिंग प्लेन क्लोथ्स तभी समथिंग चंकी इन योर हैंड. तो मैंने ये कफ टाइप का मंगाया है. इट लुक्स एलिगेंट एंड बहुत मोर देन एलिगेंट, इट्स लाइक अ स्टेटमेंट पीस. लाइक आप ये पहन सकते हो कान में, यू कैन वेयर योर टीयर ड्रॉप्स एंड यू आर बैंग ऑन लाइक. सो ये मुझे पड़ा था 150 प्रॉबली. बहुत अच्छी प्राइस में मिला मुझे बाय द वे. एंड देन कान के लिए मैं लाई थी ये. अगेन देयर इज अ शॉप वहाँ पर, आई गॉट दिस फॉर 100 बाय द वे. एंड वहाँ पर लाइक यू टेक एनी ईयरिंग लाइक देयर वाज अ सेक्शन बेसिकली. सो वहाँ पे आप कोई भी ईयरिंग लो, आपको बस वो अराउंड 100 में पड़ जाएगा. देयर वर चंकी ऑक्सीडाइज लाइक बड़े बड़े ऐसे ईयरिंग्स, वो भी 100 के लिए. सो इन केस यू फैन ऑफ ऑक्सीडाइज, I would highly recommend to please visit Elko Market, because there आप जिस भी particular earring shop में जाओगे, you are going to get a lot of bohemian pieces, a lot of chunky oxidized jewelry at a fairly reasonable price. तो आप definitely जाके check out करो. But since my face is small and I'm not that huge fan of chunky earrings because they look just too gaudy on me, तो इसलिए मैंने ये छोटू से खरीदे. मेरी मम्मी ने बोला कि तू यही ले ले बेटा, तो मैंने सोचा ठीक है चलो मैं यही ले लेती हूँ. एंड देन आई गॉट दिस वेरी क्यूट क्लच, छोटू सा. आई ओन अ लार्जर वन ऑलरेडी, बट मेरे पास छोटे नहीं थे. इसके साथ मैंने एक वाइट वाला भी ख़रीदा जो फ़िलहाल मेरी बहन बाहर पहन के गई है. सो आई टैग अ पिक्चर हियर, डोंट वरी. तो ये वाला सो प्रिटी, ये मैंने आई गॉट 2 ऑफ दीज फॉर 50. एंड इसका जो बड़ा वाला है, जस्ट इन केस यू नॉट ओनिंग इट येट, मुझे पड़ा था, मतलब मैंने ख़रीदा नहीं बट इट वॉज लाइक 1 वॉज फॉर 50. बट फेयर डील चलता है, उतना चलता है. सो दिस इज़ ओनली द ज्वेलरी पीसेस दैट आई गॉट, क्वाइट रीजनेबल एंड अमेजिंग. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन which is footwear. Again I got 2 footwear and both of them were for 350 each. So let me quickly show it to you. So guys, the shoes, first is these flats that I got. मुझे ऐसे बेसिक पेयर्स बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. सो आई गॉट वन फॉर मी इन बेज कलर. एंड इसके साथ मैंने एक ये वाला ले लिया विच कैन ऑल्सो गो ग्रेट विद योर वेस्टर्न एंड आपके इंडियन के साथ भी ये काफ़ी अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेगा. सो बोथ ऑफ देम फॉर 350, क्वाइट रीजनेबल. एंड व्हेन माई मॉम बार्गेन्ड, I got both of the pieces for 550, which means it's 275 each. देख रहे हो, मेरी मॉम के bargaining skills are like next level. So yeah, we got both of them. That's it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Advaita Avi. Bye bye my precious gems.